guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all my Yumilicious around the world. How are you there? So today guys, I'm gonna cook a very special menu, and this is very famous, especially to the Asian country. And this is what we call the spring rolls, okay? Usually guys, we are using the regular wrapper, but for me, I'm gonna use the rice paper. So I'm gonna show you now all the ingredients. So anyway guys, this is what we call the rice paper, okay? And later, we will soak this one to a warm water to make it soft. Okay, and of course, I have here the 4 eggs. Later, I'm gonna beat this one. And also the beef bacon, 6 pieces of shrimp or prawn. And of course, guys, I have here the vermicelli. I boiled this one already. And it's very soft, okay? And of course, I have here the chicken, the breast part, okay? And for the vegetables, guys, I have here the cabbage colored purple. Okay. And for our vegetables, we have here the spring onions, mint leaves, cilantro, parsley, Roman lettuce, carrots, cucumber. Okay guys, so we will start to cook now. Hi guys, I'm back. So I'm done already for our rice paper spring rolls, and here we go now. As you can see here, we have the chicken, fresh vegetable, shrimp, and beef bacon. Okay, so anyway guys, mega love shout out to Mark Lim from Houston, Texas, and this is from your mom, Nanay Carol from Abu Dhabi, and also to Isabella Faith from Abu Dhabi, and also to Soriano family. Okay guys, thank you so much for always watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and also don't forget to like and share. Okay, thank you. Bye.